could a bottle of wine be but a witness that treasures time? A message that reaches us from the past and helps us understand the present time and projects us into the future. Each bottle has much more than just wine inside. This sample was the first wine bottled in our winery. It has been waiting more than 13 years for its moment to arrive, a witness to the changes of the world. It is said that once uncorked, we may decipher in its scents and flavors the best kept secrets. Therefore, there's nothing better than this wine to tell us the story that started with the vision of a man and ended up becoming an exemplary model for millions of people. It all started in the middle of the sea, thanks to the visionary and entrepreneurial spirit of Meindert Pan, who was in search of new horizons. A visionary man who, having achieved it all, decided to start a new journey with nothing but the compass of his intuition and energy to find the way to the land of an entirely new world, this land. The Uco Valley, a noble, historical and rich land ideal for wine growing. Devoted to art and fine drink, this pioneer had the vision of turning these lands into something magnificent. The soils adopted him as their prodigal son. He joined them forever, contributing his European lineage to create one of the most successful wine dynasties at both the national and international level. This bottle was present at the opening of Bodega Salentijn in 2000. Another of the following year's harvest traveled to the Netherlands to delight the guests at the wedding of the Prince of Holland and his Argentine-born princess. The renowned wine cathedral was followed by Posada Salentijn in 2001. 2004 saw the opening of a new winery for premium young wines. In 2006, Quilca Art Gallery came onto the scene, which became an exemplary cultural and gastronomic spot in Argentina. The same year, the Chapel of Gratitude was also inaugurated. But it was in 2003 when the visionary spirit of Meindert Pan led him to the province of San Juan, where Callea's winery and estate vineyards were acquired. In 2008, high-altitude estates were bought in the valley of Pedernal for the production of the luxury portfolio of San Juan. In 2005, this bottle might have wished to follow many of the other bottles of the winery on their journey to Europe, North America, South America, and to more than 40 countries in the quest for new markets and, of course, new stories. Because if this wine spoke, it would speak about success, leadership in sales, international prestige, and innovation. So, let's make a toast to 13 years of accomplishments. But above all, let's make a toast to the future, and to this new stage that begins today with MP Wines.